So this is the new Galaxy game launcher with its new icon. So the first thing which we'll notice is that the app has changed a lot and many old features are remapped. So down here, when you swipe up, you'll get the list of all the games which you have installed. On the upper right corner, you'll find the three-dot drawer. Here, you get the option to set the location where a new game which has just been installed will be located. When you swipe down, you'll get all the information about your gameplay time, etc. You'll also get search and suggestion options both for websites and YouTube. To open the game, you can click on icon either on the main screen or the below panel. You can also get an option to link your Discord account if you have one. You can also mute all your games with just one click. If you click on the three dots, you will get many more options. Now you can get a more detailed game history. You can even change the performance of the game which you are playing individually. When you start a game, you will get a new button in the navigation bar. When you click on it, you will get more options. If you click on the settings icon above, you will get an interface like this. You can put a shortcut as you wish. You can change the resolution of the screenshot captured. You will get many more small options in the record option, so check them out too. So coming back, if you click on the option advanced game features, you will get more useful features like auto screenshot lock, which you can change as per your needs. At the bottom panel, you will get 4 main options. You can lock the navigation button, you can lock screen touch, you can take a screenshot, and also you can record a video. You will find a small panel at the top besides the game tool title. This is the pop-up panel. You can select the app which will load in pop-up display while you are playing a game. I'll leave some links of the games which I recently played in the description and the I button, so check them out. Also check the description for bonus stuff, and also don't forget to drop down the name of your favorite game in the comment section below. And the main thing, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So see y'all in the next video.